What if I told you that your prostate problems could be solved in just 5 minutes a day without expensive medications or invasive procedures? The medical industry has kept this natural solution hidden from millions of men who are suffering needlessly right now. Most doctors will prescribe pills that cost hundreds of dollars monthly and come with serious side effects, including dizziness and sexual dysfunction. But there's a powerful alternative that works with your body's natural healing mechanisms rather than against them. The shocking truth is that your enlarged prostate isn't just a medical condition that requires pharmaceutical intervention forever. It's actually your body's way of telling you that certain muscle groups have become weak and imbalanced over time. When your pelvic floor muscles lose their strength and coordination, they can no longer properly support your prostate gland. This leads to inflammation, poor circulation, and the uncomfortable symptoms you're experiencing every single day. My name is Dr. Isabel Lopez, and I'm a specialist in men's health with over 15 years of experience helping men reclaim their vitality naturally. I've seen thousands of patients transform their lives using the exact routine I'm about to share with you today. Please take a moment to let me know where you're watching from by commenting your city below. I love connecting with viewers from all around the world who are taking charge of their health. Before we dive into the life-changing movements, make sure to follow this channel for more natural health solutions that actually work. You're about to discover why this 5-minute routine is more effective than most treatments your doctor has recommended. The first movement alone will show you how powerful your body's natural healing ability really is. Let me show you exactly how to activate your prostate's reset button starting right now. The deep pelvic release is the foundation movement that instantly begins to decompress your enlarged prostate gland. You'll lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor about hip-width apart. Slowly draw your knees toward your chest while taking a deep breath in through your nose. Hold this position for 30 seconds while focusing on releasing all tension from your pelvic region. This simple position works by creating space between your pelvic bones and allowing your prostate to expand naturally without restriction. Most men feel immediate relief in their lower abdomen and notice their urinary urgency begins to subside within minutes. The key is to breathe deeply and allow gravity to help decompress the entire pelvic area. Your prostate has been compressed for months or even years, and this movement begins the healing process immediately. The biggest mistake I see men make with this exercise is rushing through it or holding their breath from anxiety. When you hold your breath, you actually increase tension in your pelvic floor muscles, which defeats the entire purpose. Instead, focus on slow, rhythmic breathing that sends oxygen-rich blood directly to your prostate gland. Each exhale should feel like you're melting deeper into relaxation and releasing years of built-up tension. You'll know you're doing this correctly when you feel a gentle warmth spreading through your lower abdomen and pelvis. Some men even feel their bladder pressure decrease noticeably during this first movement alone. This is your body's way of telling you that circulation is improving and inflammation is beginning to reduce. But this is just the beginning of what your body can accomplish in the next 4 minutes. The pelvic bridge with breath work is where we begin to actively strengthen and tone your pelvic floor muscles. From the same starting position, place your feet flat on the floor and slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling. As you lift, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles gently while taking a slow, controlled breath in through your nose. Hold the bridge position for 15 seconds while maintaining steady breathing. This movement is like giving your prostate a gentle internal massage that improves blood flow and reduces inflammation naturally. The upward pressure helps drain stagnant fluids that have been building up around your prostate for months. Many of my patients report feeling more energy and better sleep quality after just 1 week of practicing this movement. The improved circulation also enhances your body's ability to deliver nutrients and remove toxins from the prostate area. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to share the most powerful movement that literally drains inflammation from your prostate. The bridge position specifically targets the muscles that have become weak and stretched from years of poor posture and inactivity. When these muscles regain their strength, they provide better support for your prostate and help maintain healthy positioning. This reduces the pressure on your urethra and allows for normal urinary function to return. Remember to never strain or force this movement, as excessive pressure can actually worsen prostate inflammation in some men. The power comes from controlled muscle engagement combined with deep, rhythmic breathing that maximizes oxygen delivery to your tissues. You should feel a gentle activation through your entire pelvic region, not sharp pain or intense pressure. This therapeutic approach allows your body to heal naturally while building the strength necessary for long-term prostate health. The seated spinal twist with pelvic compression is the most powerful movement for reducing prostate inflammation and improving urinary flow. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you, then bend your right knee and place your right foot on the outside of your left thigh. Place your left hand behind you for support and gently twist your torso to the right while taking a deep breath. As you twist, gently engage your pelvic floor muscles as if you're stopping the flow of urine midstream. This twisting motion creates a ringing effect that helps squeeze out inflammatory fluids that have accumulated around your prostate gland. The gentle compression from the pelvic floor engagement acts like a pump, pushing stagnant blood and lymph out of the area. Many men notice immediate improvement in their urinary stream strength after practicing this movement for just a few days. The combination of spinal rotation and pelvic activation targets the exact muscles that support optimal prostate function. The breathing pattern is crucial for maximizing the anti-inflammatory benefits of this movement. Inhale as you twist and engage your pelvic floor, then exhale slowly as you release the muscle tension while maintaining the spinal twist. This coordinated breathing helps activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for healing and recovery. When your nervous system shifts into this relaxed state, your body can focus energy on reducing inflammation and repairing damaged tissues. Hold each side for 30 seconds, focusing on the quality of your breathing rather than the intensity of the stretch. Some men try to twist too aggressively or hold their pelvic muscles too tightly, which can create more tension and inflammation. The goal is gentle, sustained pressure that encourages circulation without causing strain. This movement prepares your body perfectly for the final relaxation position that seals in all the healing benefits. Before we dive in, I want to share something special with you. I have created a 21-day challenge designed to help reduce and prevent prostate enlargement with simple exercises you can do in less than 15 minutes a day. Do not wait. Grab your copy of the ebook right now. The link is pinned at the very top of the comments. The supported child's pose with pelvic breathing is the final movement that allows your prostate to absorb all the healing benefits from the previous exercises. Kneel on the floor and sit back on your heels, then slowly fold forward and rest your forehead on the ground or on a pillow. Extend your arms in front of you and focus on taking slow, deep breaths that expand your lower abdomen. With each exhale, gently draw your pelvic floor muscles upward without straining or forcing the movement. This restorative position activates your body's natural healing response by reducing stress hormones and increasing the production of growth factors that repair damaged tissues. The gentle inversion helps improve lymphatic drainage from your pelvic region, which is essential for reducing chronic inflammation. Your prostate gland receives maximum blood flow in this position, delivering oxygen and nutrients needed for cellular repair and regeneration. Most men find this pose deeply relaxing and notice a significant reduction in pelvic tension. The key to this movement is surrendering completely to the position and allowing your breathing to become natural and effortless. Many men hold residual tension in their pelvic muscles even during relaxation, which prevents optimal healing. Focus on releasing all control and letting your pelvic floor muscles soften with each exhale. This creates space for improved circulation and allows inflammatory toxins to be flushed from the prostate area naturally. Stay in this position for 2 to 3 minutes, or longer if it feels comfortable and beneficial. Some men fall asleep in this pose because it's so deeply relaxing and therapeutic for the nervous system. The parasympathetic activation that occurs during this movement is when your body does its most effective healing work. This is why the timing and quality of your relaxation is just as important as the active movements you performed earlier. The underlying secret behind all these movements is the activation and strengthening of your male pelvic floor muscles. These are the forgotten muscles that form a hammock-like support system between your pubic bone and tailbone, directly supporting your prostate, bladder, and bowel. When these muscles become weak or imbalanced, your prostate loses its optimal positioning and becomes prone to enlargement and inflammation. Most men have never been taught how to properly engage these crucial muscles that control urinary function and sexual health. Your pelvic floor muscles work like a hydraulic system that regulates pressure throughout your entire pelvic region. When they are functioning properly, they maintain healthy blood flow to your prostate and prevent the stagnation that leads to inflammation. These same muscles also play a vital role in erectile function and bladder control, which is why strengthening them provides multiple health benefits simultaneously. The 5-minute routine you just learned specifically targets these muscles through different angles and movement patterns for maximum effectiveness. Most traditional treatments for prostate problems completely ignore the pelvic floor connection, which is why they often fail to provide lasting relief. Medications can temporarily reduce symptoms, but they don't address the underlying muscle weakness that created the problem in the first place. Surgery can be traumatic and often damages the very muscles that support healthy prostate function. This natural approach works with your body's design rather than against it, providing sustainable results without side effects. The coordination between your breathing and pelvic floor engagement is what makes this routine so much more effective than random stretching or generic exercises. Each movement is specifically designed to progressively strengthen these muscles while improving their flexibility and endurance. When you practice this routine consistently, you're literally rebuilding the foundation that supports optimal prostate health. But the real magic happens when you see how quickly your body responds to this targeted approach. Join the Members Club, drop a super like, and let me share the incredible transformations I've witnessed from men using this exact routine. Within the first week, most men report sleeping through the night without waking up to urinate multiple times. Their urinary stream becomes stronger and more consistent, and the urgency that controlled their daily schedule begins to disappear. Many men also notice improvements in their energy levels and sexual function because the same muscles that support prostate health also contribute to erectile strength. The anti-inflammatory effects of this routine extend far beyond just prostate symptoms. Men often experience reduced lower back pain, better posture, and improved core stability because the pelvic floor muscles connect to your entire kinetic chain. The deep breathing component helps reduce overall stress levels, which further supports your body's natural healing processes. Some men even report better digestion and reduced anxiety after practicing this routine consistently for several weeks. What makes this approach so powerful is that it addresses the root cause of prostate enlargement rather than just masking symptoms with medications. Your body has an incredible capacity for self-healing when you provide the right conditions through proper movement and breathing. The improved circulation and reduced inflammation create an environment where your prostate can return to its normal size and function naturally. This is why many men are able to reduce or eliminate their dependence on prostate medications after several months of consistent practice. You don't need expensive treatments or invasive procedures to reclaim your prostate health and vitality. You need just 5 minutes per day and the commitment to start today rather than waiting for your symptoms to worsen. Every day you delay is another day of unnecessary suffering when the solution is literally at your fingertips. Begin this routine tonight and prepare to be amazed at how quickly your body responds to this natural, targeted approach to prostate healing.